Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for January 29 to February 4, 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see Libra, what's up with you this week? Anong ganap sa mga Libra? January 29 to Feb 4. Knowledge. Let me connect above and below. Let the knowledge of ancestors flow. So, maaaring meron kang mamanahing kaalaman, no, from your ancestors, your parents. Example, recipe, no. Yung recipe na yan, mamanahin mo from your parents, grandparents, and yan yung magiging susi sa tagumpay mo kasi gagamitin mo siya na gagamitin mo siyang parang recipe for your business, your food business, mga ganong klaseng kaalaman. So, I also see you learning new things, no? You are filling up this, ang tawag dito, para siyang sa genie. Oo. Maaring meron kang mga kahilingan na related sa gusto mo pang matutunan, malaman, lalo na kung gusto mong mag-aral. And yan yung wish mo na makapag-aral ulit or meron kang matutunang bagong skills. So, I think ngayong week na to, it is going to happen. And maaring mas magiging very, ka ngayon, curious sa maraming bagay. You also have sensuality, your freedom flowing from far away. I dance, I love, I laugh, I play. Wow. So this is about being true to yourself, no? Na self-expression to. So yung iba sa inyo, wala na kayong pakialam sa sasabihin ng ibang tao as long as alam mo na masaya ka, you are expressing yourself, who you really are, and that's enough, no? Yun na yung sapat na yun, na mahal mo yung sarili mo, ina-express mo yung gusto mo. As long as wala ka natatapakang ibang tao, then go ahead. Best possible decision. Meron kang pagdedesisyonan ngayong week na to. And meron ditong moon. Ang moon nagsisimbolize yan ng instinct, intuition. So I think you are divinely guided dito sa decision na gagawin mo. Maaring matagal mo na itong pinag-iisipan, pinag-aaralan. And this week, you will finally decide. And yung decision na yun yung alam mo makakabuti para sa'yo. Yun yung best for your situation. So let's see your overall energy. Overall energy ng mga Libra. You have the World. Oh, this is culmination. Ending a cycle in your life. Pero ito yung tipong nag-end pero successful. Alam mo yun? Na let's say meron kang project, tapos natapos mo na yung project mo na yun, and it was successful nung natapos siya. So, meron kang sense of achievement. Oo. So, some of you, pwedeng nakatapos na kayo sa pag-aaral or natapos nyo na yung course na gusto nyong matutunan or yung lesson, class na inatenan nyo na makakatulong sa pagpapaunlad ng inyong mga sarili. You also have the 8 of Wands. Merong communication from abroad, no? If you are in a long-distance relationship, maraming messages, palitan ng messages. So, yung maaring meron kayong aasikasuhin related sa pagta-travel ninyo. Pwedeng ipipetisyon ka ng mahal mo sa buhay, ng partner mo, ng parents mo. And I think this is going to happen real fast, no? Kung ano man tong mga asikasuhin mo. Okay? Let's see. Maaari ring merong opportunities for you to travel abroad dahil sa trabaho mo. So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Libra? The challenge is the Ace of Pentacles. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, hindi pa ganun kasigurado sa pagsisimula ng bagong trabaho, bagong career. maaring iniisip niyo pa na tama ba tong gagawin ko? Tama ba tong bagong direksyon na tatahakin ko? Ayan na, medyo nasa-stress kayo about overthinking. Kasi minsan, 'di ba, kapag may nagbabago, lalo na kung medyo magugulo yung nakasanayan na natin, parang mag-worry tayo na, teka, hindi siya komportable, no? Ganon. Kasi komportable ka na sa routine mo. And then when something changes, no, something new begins, medyo nagpapanik tayo about this new beginning. And also, as a challenge, possible rin na meron kang mga ventures na papasukin na maaring maging stressful sa'yo sa pagsisimula. Pwedeng bagong trabaho, negosyo. So, syempre, lahat naman na nagsisimula eh. Oo. Sa una talagang gagamayin mo pa, aaralin mo pa. So, that's part of the process that you need to embrace. Huwag ka nalang mag-overthink para hindi ka ma-stress. O, diba? Nagra-rhyme. So, this is your opportunity to break free. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, naniniwala kayo kaagad sa opinion ng ibang tao sa inyo eh. Oh. You have the Sun card here. You are about to shine. You have the opportunity to break free from this limitation. Oo, ito yung tipong nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. But you have the opportunity to realize your worth, your talent, your skills. You are very powerful. Okay? So, you are stepping into the light, stepping into your own power. Then, what is your blessing? Ano yung blessing ng mga Libra? The blessing is pahinga. 4 of Swords, healing. You also have the 3 of Wands. Alam nyo, yung iba talaga sa inyo, merong magandang opportunity na parating galing sa ibang bansa. If you've been wanting and praying na makapag-abroad, makapagtrabaho sa ibang bansa, merong opportunities talaga rito. Yung iba naman, kung hindi man to trabaho, bakasyon. Oo, kasi may resting rito eh. So, yung iba, there's a blessing there. Makakapagbakasyon na kayo sa abroad. Yung iba naman, merong uuwi galing abroad. Susunduin nyo na sa airport. Okay, expectations. Don't seek anyone's approval. So, ito yung binabanggit ko sa inyo kanina. Na, syempre, laging meron at merong masasabi ang ibang tao sa atin, no? Ang importante is you believe in your own self. Hindi mo kailangang magbase ng validation mo sa ibang tao. As long as you believe in yourself, you know your worth, alam mo yung halaga mo, alam mo yung kakayanan mo, then there's nothing to worry about it. The rest ay lang yan, noise, ingay sa paligid mo. Okay? Na hindi mo kailangan magpa-apekto. So, that is your reading. Libra, kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.